ThinkUp Math includes assessments of prerequisite skills for grades 2 through 8. Each assessment covers prerequisite skills necessary for mastery of the unit standard. These pre-assessments provide teachers with a better foundation for planning unit instruction. The pre-assessments are not found in the Student Edition. Teachers can go to support.mentoringminds.com under the Product Support icon to review PDF versions of these tests. Or, if your campus purchased digital access, then teachers will be able to assign out pre-assessments within the online platform to their students. We also provide a beginning of the year diagnostic assessment tool exclusively in our online platform for grades 1 through 8. This tool allows teachers to assess student understanding of previous grade level standards at the beginning of the year to evaluate any learning gaps. This provides great data for the teacher, which will help drive future instruction.